Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Atlantic Built. Today, I want to show you how much wind noise there is inside the Bronco at highway speeds. We'll back this up with an actual sound measurement and compare it to my F-150. Hopefully this shows you what to expect or not to expect from the new Ford Bronco. This truck is a two-door hardtop with the optional headliner or sound deadening installed. Let's get into it. Sorry about the music there, if that's not your preference, but it's what was on, and this is a one-take deal, okay? So we're gonna hit the road. Sounds like a freaking hurricane in here. It's pretty loud. It's gotta be, like, it's not just me, it's loud. I think it's pretty bad considering this is a hardtop. But then again, other than like a Corvette, I've never had a vehicle where the roof would come off. We're gonna go for a drive, and I don't know, tell me what you think, but I got this nifty new tool here, a sound level meter. This will give us an actual readout of decibels of sound. Boop, 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 boop. I'll show you guys what the reading is as we're driving at highway speeds. Guess what I'm doing? You guessed it. She's a little small right now, but what a... Yeah, okay. What a spectacle this thing. Hey, check it out. Full media, boy. Got my little decibel meter here at 800 RPM. If you see here, it's really hard to read when it's on my head. So I might switch you over here. Like 43 decibels at idle, okay? Now we're gonna hit the highway. Sounds like a freaking hurricane in here. I'm gonna set it on cruise at 110. And here is our reading. So I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's like about 75 decibels. Now, maybe it's where my head is too, like maybe that's... So I'm like 77 here. All right, so we're just out in the F-150. This is a 2012. It's got 402,000 kilometers on it. We're doing 110, and the reading on our decibel meter here is... It's about 68 decibels. So I'm not sure how much of an idea that gives you, but I figured, you know what? I've got two vehicles to compare it with. Might as well give you something with the other one. So that's that. So I'm gonna pull off, and I'm gonna just sit in the parking lot, and I'm gonna turn the radio up until we hit 77 or 75 even. All right, so I just pulled over. I'm gonna turn the volume up on the radio until I reach between 75, 78 decibels, somewhere around there. I'm gonna put the sound level meter right here. That way it gives you the best representation of what you actually hear in the position of the driver's seat.
In a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there on my...
So that about wraps it up. We have now discovered that it takes about 30% of the upgraded B&O stereo in the two-door Bronco to break even with the wind noise. Obviously there's variables. Every one of these things is put together differently. Even if I took the roof off and put it back on, it could be different. Okay, so just a little recap, and I just want to make it clear. I'm not saying that the Bronco is a terrible vehicle or it's unbearable or this or that or long drives. I guess basically what I wanted to show you in this video is that it is louder. But I feel like that's expected with the trade-offs. Like the roof comes off in 3 pieces. The doors come off. Don't know if that has much to do with it, but the roof definitely. They could insulate the roof and, you know, put crazy sound deadening or whatever, but it would be so heavy that you'd never be able to remove it. So I guess it just comes down to compromise and what you want in a vehicle. What I found, kind of what to expect. Is it noisy? Yes. Is it a deal breaker for the Bronco and enjoying driving it? I wouldn't say so in the slightest. If you want a quiet, luxurious ride like a Rolls Royce, go buy a Rolls Royce. Don't buy a Bronco. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a comment below. Gonna get this thing home, pull the flares off. I'm gonna make a little video on that for you guys because this thing is going to get polished and ceramic coated. So stay tuned for that. That'll be in the next couple videos. If you want to stick around and find out, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and we will catch you later. I'm gonna try and, yeah, let's try and get it. Let's try and get the wind noise, okay? I'm gonna do the wind noise. Imagine driving all the time. Proof is in the pudding, and thanks to Princess Auto, I picked up this thing, which shows us the proof. So this is the pudding. It's got the proof in it.